Swamiji challenged this mindset. He took on the task of clearing the dust of centuries that had accumulated on the knowledge of Indian culture and philosophical thought. He introduced the world to the grandeur of Vedic philosophy in Chicago. He taught the world about the Vedic philosophy, but he also reminded the country of its rich past and immense potential. He gave us back our confidence, our pride, our roots. Swamiji reminded us all that this is the land from whence, like the tidal waves, spirituality and philosophy have again and again rushed out and deluged the world. And this is the land from whence more such tide proceed.
What impressed me are two-line statements of Swami Vivekananda, and very rarely spoken those words. So I want to repeat the youth what he said. He is a spiritual leader of great might and representing the whole India, a spiritual leader. What he says, I want to read to you what he says. He said, my name, Swami Vivekananda ji says, my name should not be made prominent. It is my ideas that I want to be realized. So very rarely a human being, a leader, a people's leader, a spiritual leader will say, not my name, but my ideas that I want to be realized. So beautiful. So today,
Vivekananda. He said that holiness, purity, and charity are not the exclusive possessions of any church in the world, and that every system has produced men and women of the most exalted character. And instead of being lured by the false notion that progress must come at the expense of freedom, you built the institutions upon which true democracy depends. Free and fair elections, which enable citizens to choose their own leaders without recourse to arms. An independent judiciary and the rule of law, which allows people to address their grievances. And a thriving free press and vibrant civil society, which allows every voice to be heard.
Wake up the note, the song that had its birth, far off where worldly tent could never reach, in mountain caves and glades of forest deep.
Story about Swami Vivekananda. You know about that? Someone wanted to insult Swami Vivekananda, his own professor. He was insulting him all the time. So, Vivekananda went and sat in the same table as this professor in Oxford in the breakfast room. And the professor looked at him. Those days there was more racial discrimination and all, apartheid days. This was in London, in Oxford, in England, in Oxford, in England. So he went and sat on the same table. And the professor said, a pig and a bird cannot sit in the same place. Meaning he is a pig. So you know what Swami Vivekananda said? Sir, you tell me, any moment I will fly away.
But truly, the solution lies in the path that Swamiji showed the world in Chicago. Tolerance and acceptance. Swamiji said, I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. Friends, we are a country of free ideas. For centuries,
Sing high that note sannyasin bold. Say Om Tat Sat Om.